In a woman where I send message since this boy never still come. What did they do? Just to go to supermarket here, buy me nylon and cellophane. You see why Buhari say na lazy youth? Now I went inside. When I did small, my mama go send me message. He go post it for grant. No, pium. I don't come back. But this is generation's children. If you like, you piss, you shit, you pour the spit. Now when they like it, they go take go, come back. Yeah. How I go do this thing? I don't want to make my neighbor know say they go party. Because he too like jollof rice, party on. Any small time I go, if you just see me pass now, say they go party, don't say children. Mona go greet Mama Obidia. Like say I need newborn. I know newborn. What they greeting me for? Now make me say, I know they carry cooler again, so that I no go no. Go buy me nylon. Cellophane, make I take carry the rice if I dey come. As I just they go, so I go do like say I want go throw away does it be? You no go no say na party I dey go. How I go do this one now? In a government mommy. This party, I know one late. And this party no be the one where I not go. Since it don't happen like that, wait to go happen now. I just carry in a bucket. I will just carry a bucket. My neighbor, they always they sit down for that outside. Like audio way with the village. He go ask Mama Obidia where the I could just carry this one. If you ask me, Mama Obidia, where you they go? I say, I want to go and buy water. Yeah. I want to go buy water. Yes, so, because this party, I know one missing. My people, when I know who they do party, birthday, make a keep a bucket for jollof rice first. Now, no more say, era on a hey, o sign no ma. Yes, so una no say the word where we dey so everybody to say I good, the other one go say good. And finally, now only Papa God, Chuku Dedenigwe. Now I know who really good. Now be the meaning of the name where the Papa give one. O sign no ma. Yes, so o sign no ma. As you mark 3 years, now your Papa, Mr. Richard, God say make I tell you, he's saying love you. He said you are the first fruit of his loins. He said you are the reason why they call him Father, Papa for the first time. He said you are the reason for his happiness. Now you be the reason for his joy. He said now you, now be that light with the shine for his darkness. He said he love you. He said he wish you long life and prosperity. He said where other fail, you will succeed. He said you will be like stream. Una no na stream not the dry. He said your life go sweet past honey and sugar. He said wish you long life and prosperity. He said you continue to grow and excel in all you do in life. He said man and woman go favor you. Yes. Now, now your mama, the swagalistic woman wey we get for this Pamplona. Yes, so if you see her, you go know say na really swagalistic woman. Now she be. She say, make I come wish you happy birthday. He said na she born you, now she name you. Osinachi we bia na uwa. Yes, so Osinachuku. Your mama say make I tell you. Now you be the reason where a lot of change for good for her life. He said now you be the first fruit of her womb. He said love you so. He said you will excel in all you do in life. He said man and woman will favor you. The sun, the ground you walk on, the breeze, he said everything will favor you. He said the grace of God will speak for you day and night. He said love you very much. He said love you, not even know how he go to explain her. The kind joy where you bring to our life. He said love you. He said he said you will continue to celebrate. In good health you will celebrate. In riches you will celebrate. He said you continue to grow from strength to strength. He said love you. Now me we be obedient wanyi marama. Now me and my household now we come say si wam osa no monoma. Now we talk for wegbe ugu na who say you will continue to celebrate. Yes, so man will favor you, woman will favor you, ground will favor you, the priest, everything will favor you, everything will work in your favor. He said, you will be the best among all your peers. You will succeed in all you do in life. Okay. I wish you a happy birthday, my son. Long life and prosperity. Continue to celebrate. Good things will never depart from your life. Happy birthday. So friends and family, make una join me. Wish this omone mose omona yayo. Mona join me. Wish am happy birthday. Long life and prosperity. Yes, so my people here, before I forget, my bucket for the jollof rice, it is very, very important. Because me myself, not be only my neighbor, like jollof rice. Me too. I like and die. That is why anytime where they go, if I don't carry cooler, I'll carry bucket. The next one, maybe now. Maybe na pot na I go carry. Yes.